let's make tabboulleh with a twist. Tabboulleh is traditional Middle Eastern salad known for its fresh, vibrant flavors. It primarily consists of finely chopped parsley, tomatoes, mint, onion, and soaked bulgur wheat, all mixed together. This salad is seasoned with olive oil, lemon, and salt. A healthy, refreshing salad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our healthy ingredients are parsley, mint, quinoa, cucumbers, tomatoes, lemon, and onion. Let us prepare our ingredients. Let's chop our herbs. First, let's chop our parsley. Let us chop our parsley finely. The secret to a great tabboulleh salad is making sure everything is finely chopped. Therefore, take a little extra time to make sure your ingredients are chopped finely. Do you know that parsley has some great health benefits? In addition to being loaded with vitamins and minerals, it's a natural diuretic and can help reduce the risk of some cancers. Next is to prepare our mint leaves. Remove the mint leaves from the stem and also chop the mint leaves finely. Mint is a fragrant and delicious plant that is an ingredient in many foods and beverages. It also has health benefits that may include relieving indigestion, improving brain function, and masking bad breath. Mint is a particular good source of vitamin A and also a potent source of antioxidants. Let's do the tomatoes. Let's remove the seeds of the tomatoes because we don't want our salad to be watery. We should also chop our tomatoes finely like the other ingredients. Tomatoes are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. Let us do our cucumber. Let us remove the seeds of our cucumber because the seeds can also add too much additional moisture to our salad, which will make our salad watery. Like the other ingredients, we should also chop our cucumber finely. Cucumber is a nutritious fruit with a high water content. Eating cucumber may help lower blood sugar, prevent constipation, and support weight loss. To maximize cucumber health benefits, it should be eaten with the peel. Lastly, the onion. We should also chop the onion finely like the other ingredients. Do you know that onions also have great health benefits? Onions contain many antioxidants and sulfur-containing compounds. They have been linked to a reduced risk of cancer, lower blood sugar levels, and improved bone health. Lemons for our dressing. Let's assemble our healthy tabboulleh. With our chopped herbs, let's add our quinoa and our chopped ingredients. chopped tomatoes, cucumber, and onions. Drizzle a little bit of salt, and let's squeeze our lemons. Lemons are also loaded with nutrients. Drizzle a generous amount of olive oil. Toss and mix everything gently until all ingredients are well combined. Making tabbouleh salad is so easy. It's so light and refreshing, perfect for when you want something healthy and fast. I think you'll love it too. Serve tabbouleh salad on its own or a great side dish for your lunch and dinner. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe. God bless you all.